let me introduce myself. My name is Delcia, and I make this video to pass my speaking exam. So I will bring a topic, role of artificial intelligence or AI in English learning. And the aim of this video is how to explore AI chatbots such as ChatGPT or DeepSeek or even another AI that can help students to improve or become independent in learning English as a foreign language. To give you a picture, I will make three main parts in this video. The first is I will explain the basic process of using AI, and the second I will share my personal opinion, and finally I will make a summary and my personal reflection on this speaking text. Let us begin. Now we move to the main part. So the key idea here is the AI chatbots can act like a personal tutor that any students can access anytime. As everybody knew, AI is easy to use. Step 1, we can use AI to be a student output, like the learner can write or even reading, speaking, and writing with AI. And step 2 is the AI feedback. Of course, AI chatbots can check our grammar and give us a quick response, correct answer. And step 3 is student revision. Of course, the learner can read a suggestion or fixes their sentences, speaking, or even vocabulary, and ask a new question to understand the rule better. This cycle supports the independent learning. Why? In the traditional class, students usually wait for the teacher to correct them. But with AI, the student takes control. They can choose when to practice, how to respond to the feedback, and wherever we can accept or reject the AI suggestion. My second point is this process helps students think about their own learning. They start to notice their own common mistakes, for example, error in verb tenses, without always depending on the teacher. This change from the passive learning to active management is why AI is a useful tool in modern education. Now I would like to share my personal view about this issue. I strongly believe that AI chatbots improve, not weaken student thinking skills. However, I know the teachers have a different view. They argue that AI makes a student lazy because they can just copy an AI correction without understanding them. I understand this concern, but I would agree that this depends on how we use the tool. To support my view, let me build a clear argument. First, AI chatbots effectively promote learning independence in English learning. And the reason is simple. Because the tools provide a safe space for the practice, students are not afraid to make a mistake in front of their friends. So they tend to practice more often. Recent studies in educational journals show that students who use AI for daily writing practice show a significant increase in self-initiation revision attempts compared to those who only depend on the classroom exercise. If students revise their writing more often on their own, they are clearly building independent learning habits. The tools are not the problem. The lack of proper teacher guidance is. The real issue is not the AI itself, but how teachers include in their lessons. So my point is remains, when we use wisely, AI is a helper, not a shortcut. So to conclude this video, I have covered three main points. First, AI chatbots create a continuous practice cycle that encourage independent work. And the second is the practice helps students notice their own mistakes. And the third, although some worry about laziness, the evidence show that AI actually supports independence when used correctly. I hope this video has given you a balanced academic view on the use of AI in learning English. Now for my personal reflection, looking back at this text, I think I managed to explain my ideas clearly. However, one big thing I really want to improve is my fluency. I noticed that I pause a few times while looking for the right words. In the future, I hope to practice speaking more without a script and can speak with it naturally. So thank you very much to watch my video, and thank you for your attention. Bye bye.